Hey mates, hey guys. Today I show you very efficient, amazing trick how you can clean your penis. And it's very simple. It's just with your urine and you have the cleanest penis like ever before. Yeah, someone told me to that to me after I showed him the trick and now I show it to you. I haven't found it anywhere on the internet. I came to it by myself and just when you make a pee, you close your foreskin. Yeah, sorry, you have to have a foreskin for this trick. And then you let go. And yeah, you just do this several times. So how many times you like. And with it, you just clean everything out of your penis. And not just that you have a very clean penis, it's also when you have sex and you don't want that your girl becomes pregnant. Um, then yeah, well, when you feel like you come and so you go out and then you do a cum shot and then you want to go in a second time, you have to clean your penis before. And yeah, you just can take it, make it with your urine. It kills all the sperms and flushes them out. And yeah, so you can have sex then again without being afraid to make your wife pregnant. Uh, yeah, so that's it. Very simple, very effective. And yeah, urine, you have it with you every day, many times. And then the olden times, it was also used for washing clothes and for washing hair or whatever, washing your body. And so it's very effective. I came to this trick by myself when my girlfriend had a fungi, and yeah, my penis was also then itchy, and I was wondering how I can get rid of it, and I didn't want to take any chemical drugs or whatever. And I remembered that when you have in your garden on your vegetables, you have mildew on your pumpkin or zucchini, and yeah, you can take your urine with water, dilute it, pour it over the leaves, and you get rid of it. And so I tried it with the fungi as well. And yeah, I think it was 1 or 2 days, and then I got rid of it and was clean. And so it's one very simple trick. You just have to be as natural as you have a foreskin, and then you can clean your penis, get rid of fungi, and prevent unwanted pregnancies. So let's watch this. This is how it should look like. Yeah, you can really stretch it a lot and try it out.